Hello, kids. How are you all? Children, I'm very excited to tell you today new A sound words. Are you all excited? Yes, today I'm going to do some new sound family words. So let's look here. This is letter A, yeah, and this is letter X. When together they come and becomes AX. But how to speak? Now let's learn this. A says A and X says X. And together it becomes eggs. What it becomes? Eggs or axe. It becomes axe. What it becomes? Axe. You are right. Like F and AX together becomes FAX. So now let's say it with its sound. And axe. It becomes fax. It becomes fax. What is fax, beta? Fax is a machine in which the electronically written messages come. Yes, it looks like a phone machine, but it is not. Okay, now let's see the another word. T. T means T. Axe. Axe means AX. Axe means AX. So, T. Axe. Tax. TAX. What do we say? Tax. We say tax. Tax is something which we all should pay, and we all pay for the welfare of our country, है ना? जैसे आप होटल जाते हैं तो वहां पे आप सिटिंग डाइनिंग का टैक्स देते हैं ना, ऐसे ही नहीं तो वहां पर कौन क्लीन करेगा? जो वर्कर्स वर्क करते हैं उनको कैसे मिलेगा? सो देयर सैलरी, सो इट कम्स थ्रू द टैक्स. जब आप रोड पर जाते हैं, सो व्हेन यू गो टू द रोड और walk on the flyovers. So how these flyovers are made? They all are constructed with money of tax. Yes. So now you understood what is tax? Tax, tax. Look here, this candle is burning. And जब वो candle burn होती है तो उसकी side में कुछ इकट्ठा हो जाता है ना, that is a wax. What it is? Wax. And जो भी candle होती है, the candle is made up of wax only. Also, we can see the ear wax. आपके कान में भी इकट्ठी हो जाती है ना wax. That is called wax. But how to read now? Let's see. W and X. AX. W and AX together becomes WAX. Axe, wax. Say it one more time. Axe, wax. Wonderful. Now, let's see the another word of axe family. Axe, max. Means M. And AX means axe. Right? Axe, max. Max means maximum, to the fullest, है ना? Like when you see in your car speedometer, जहाँ पे drive करते हैं वहाँ पर speed होती है. So उधर लिखा होता है minimum speed and maximum speed. So it is this max. Max means to the fullest, है ना? सबसे ज़्यादा. Maximum. Right? Max. Everyone say MAX, max. So today with axe family we have learned fax, 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 TAX, tax, WAX, wax, and MAX, max. Good children. Children, now let's learn about some another interesting family. What is that? Now look here. This is A. And this is L. And here comes one more L. You know, these two L are very good friends. Just like you all must be having good friends now. Same way this L is also, these two L are very good friends. When they come with A, both the L's together, it becomes A, L, L. Now, these two friends are so good. So what do they say? They say only one sound will come. And what is the sound of L? L says L. What is the sound of L? L says L. Right. So Here we will not say l, l, l. No, l, l. No, we will not say. We will use only one sound, and that is l. We will say l only one time, like a, l, al. Okay? A, l, al. What do we say? Al. Now, if I add this al to b, okay, which says b, it becomes ball. It becomes ball. Now, if you see anyone who is very tall, बहुत लंबा है ना? तो उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? How will we read? Now, T. T says T and all. Together becomes tall. It becomes tall. T, all, tall. Like B, all, ball. B-A-L-L. Together becomes ball. B, all, ball. Then comes, if I am going to add F to all, it becomes fall. F, all, fall. Fall matlab girna. Can you see in this picture that the leaves are falling? They are falling. Huh? Right? It is called fall. F, all, fall. F, all, fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. Children, can you see in your classroom there is a wall? And that wall is made up of bricks, right? ईंट से बनी हुई है ना? But what is that called? It is a wall. W-A-L-L. W plus A-L. Wall. W-all. What do we say? Wall. So now repeat with me these words again. T-all, tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. B-A-L-L. B-all, ball. F-A-L-L. All, fall. W-A-L-L. Wall. W-all, wall. Isn't it so interesting? Like if you call someone, we say k-all, call. Yes, very good, children. Isn't it this family very interesting? Yes. So now this brings end to our family words. Okay, we all have learned today family words. Now it's time for me to say bye bye.